Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Asana projects using exports and automation. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Asana account. Navigate to the project you want to backup. Locate the Project Actions menu, represented by 3 dots. Click on the 3 dots to open the drop-down menu. Select the Export option from the list. Choose the format you want for your backup, such as CSV. The file will download automatically to your device. For comprehensive backup, repeat the export process for each project. Next, consider using automation tools for regular backups. Zapier is a popular choice for automating this process. Create a Zapier account if you do not already have one. Set up a new Zap and choose Asana as the trigger app. Select the trigger event, such as New Task and Project. Connect your Asana account to Zapier. Now, define the action that will occur, like sending data to Google Sheets. Choose Google Sheets as the action app. Set up the action event to create a new row in a specified sheet. Map the fields from Asana to the columns in Google Sheets. Test your Zap to ensure everything is working correctly. Once you're satisfied, turn on the Zap. Your Asana projects will now back up automatically to Google Sheets. Consider scheduling regular reviews of your backup data. This will help you ensure your information is always up to date. Remember, having multiple backup methods enhances data security. You can always explore additional automation options to further streamline the process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.